All right, number 22. From a plane flying due east, so flying in this direction, at 265 miles above sea level, so I'll put 265 here, 265 meters, not miles. That would be pretty high. The angles of depression of two ships sailing due east, sailing in that direction. Here's one ship, here's another ship. Measure 35 degrees and 25 degrees. And draw these triangles. Make this the 25-degree angle, make this one the 35-degree angle. How far apart are the ships? What's the distance from here to here? So, I am going to set up a ratio here for the 25-degree angle in this right triangle. And that is opposite, which is 265. And this part I'll just call A. This is opposite and adjacent. A tangent of 25 degrees is equal to A over 265. If I multiply both sides by 265, I get okay. So 265 times the tangent of 25 I don't know. I think I'm in radians right now. I need to. Okay. Oh, here. There we go. Oh, it did it for me. Okay. 265 times 10 to 25, I get 123. I'm using my phone. I haven't used my phone to do trig functions before. A equals 123.57 meters. And then when I look at this 35-degree angle, let's call it B for right now. For the tangent of the 35-degree angle is 200, I'm sorry. Ooh, okay. All right. I debated whether to just stop and start over. Okay, you see that I did this wrong. I'm going to flip that around. The tangent of 25 degrees is equal to 265 over A. So I now multiply both sides by A and get A tangent 25 degrees. So please forget this. That's my mistake. First mistake of the year. A times tangent of 25 degrees is equal to 265. So A is 265 divided by the tangent of 25 degrees. All right. Let's see. 265 divided by tangent divided by tangent of 25 degrees. Alright, so I'm getting here 568.3 meters. That's for A. For B, I think the ratio works the same thing, but 265 divided by the tangent of 35 degrees. It really is, it's the same. This is the adjacent and this is the opposite, so the things will be essentially the same. So I'm going to take (265) divided by the tangent of 35, and I get 378.5 meters. And then I'm going to take 568.3 meters, which is this, A minus B. That'll leave me with X, which is that distance. 568.3 minus 378.5. And when I do that, I get 189.8 meters is the distance between the two. All right. Number 23. If a plane is cruising at an altitude of 30,000 feet, and here's the ground, and wants to land at O'Hare so that the angle of depression is 7 degrees, let's say right where you want to land is right here, and that angle of depression is 7 degrees. How many miles from the airport must the plane begin? Now, we had a good question. Are we talking here, that distance, or are we talking this distance? Let's just talk about the land distance. Let's talk about X here. So how many miles from the airport is that? This is opposite, this is adjacent, this is another tangent. The tangent of 7 degrees is 30,000 feet over X. If I multiply by X, I got X times the tangent of 7 degrees equals 30,000 feet. And then I divide by the tangent of 7 degrees. Okay. And X will equal 30,000 divided by the tangent of 7, and I'm getting 244,330.4 feet, which I'm going to divide by 5,280 feet per mile, and that'll give me miles. So when you get about 46.3 miles from the airport, that's where you need to start beginning your descent. All right, there we go. Good luck on the test.